All clear.
Hello. Am I audible?
Say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Loud and clear. Very good.
Okay.
Give me 1 second, and we're gonna. One, two, three, four.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now we're gonna get the airport weather. It's this station here. Press this button.
Tree 1, dew point 7, altimeter 3000. Atlas Zulu approaching you. Landing and departing, runway 16 right, runway 16 left. Notice to airmen, static Wahila route and practice approaches unavailable until further notice. Advise on initial contact, give information Oscar. Van Nuys Airport information Oscar, current time 2051 Zulu, wind 16011, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000. Temperature tree 1, dew point 7, altimeter 3000. Atlas Zulu approaching you. Landing and departing, runway 16 right, runway 16 left. Notice to airmen, static Wahila route and practice approaches unavailable until further notice. Advise on initial contact, give information Oscar.
Okay. Press this button, please. Now I'm gonna tell the ground controllers.
Impairs at Peg Jet 7. Peg Jet 7. Peg Jet 7, Van is going to take the parking to Bravo.
There's 704 Quebec Juliet. And where we are at ROTOR F, with what information, Oscar, and what we want to do. Taxi for takeoff. Okay?
Right.
Van Nuys ground, November 704 Quebec Juliet at ROTOR F with information, Oscar. Taxi for takeoff.
November 704 Quebec Juliet, Van Nuys ground, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
Runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie, 704 Quebec Juliet. Now, do you see that black line on the road? Microphone close to your mouth, I can't hear you.
Alright, now.
Alright, now I can hear you.
Okay, great.
Yeah, you see the black line there?
Which one?
Yeah, on the road, running a black line like that.
Uh-huh.
Are you going to lift your foot up and apply the brakes to stop us nicely before that black line?
Alright.
Go ahead and do that. Apply the brakes
You
now.
talking about this black line?
This one.
Okay.
Apply the brakes. Very good. We look right, we look left, nobody is coming. Now put your heels on the cabin and press your left foot in.
Okay.
Notice how it's steering?
Uh-huh.
There you go. Now once it's on the line, press your right foot in.
Okay.
So that it stays on the line, like that.
Okay.
But small motions.
Okay.
You're going to hold us on the line just like this.
Okay.
Very good.
So here we go slightly left.
Yeah, just little. Then
yeah.
Notice the fuel truck. Okay, very good, very good. Just stay on the line as you see it between your legs, line. That one. There you go. Now we're going to go left a little. Press your little left foot, little. There you go, just right. Not much more than that. And you see that solid black line on the ground, jet coming in the land, you can see. Now, like that, we're going to go onto this yellow line. When we're right on the yellow line, apply the brakes and hold the airplane in place, right there. Good. Now we're going to test our engine. Push this in. Now, how do we do that? Well, let's check first of all, pull your window in and close it. And pull it in and then close it. There you go, closed. Now grab these like that, all the way to the left. Like this, all the way to your chest. All the way to the right, like this, and all the way in. And it's good, it's not tangled in. Now, can you look this way all the way back? You see the rudder moving back there? Look back.
Yeah, it is.
Good, very good. That's moving. This is elevator trim control, it's set. You don't have to move that one. Now you're going to grab this throttle, push it in gently until this needle is right at my finger.
Okay.
Gently. Push it in straight in, you don't have to turn. Just
Okay.
Yeah, right there. Right there. A little too much. Pull back. Pull back.
Pull back,
Pull
okay.
back. Back towards you.
And nice ground, November
More,
780,
more.
Whiskey F, 165.
A little bit more.
Quebec.
Little more?
A little bit more towards you.
Whiskey Alpha, nice ground, taxi
There you go.
signature West via
A
Alpha.
little bit in, just a little.
West via Alpha 780.
Right there. Perfect. Now we check everything. Our batteries are charging. Our oil pressure is good. Oil temperature is good. We measured the fuel and it's okay. And our vacuum is coming into a gauge.
Which direction are we flying in?
We're going to be flying in that way.
Okay, I mean east. I mean.
That will be south, 160 instead of 180.
Okay.
Okay. Now you're going to grab the key. That key. Go one click to the left. Just one click. One click.
All right.
Good. One click to the right.
All right.
2 clicks to the left. 1, 2.
All right.
Good. 2 clicks to the right. 1, 2. Let me see. Okay, good. Very good. Now pull this out. All the way out. Pull hard. Good. Now pull this out. All the way out. Good. It works. Now push this all the way in. All the way in. All the way in until it goes in and stays there. Good. Now hold on there. Now let's set our altimeter. It says 3000 right there. Set it. And we're facing east here, so we're going to set that to east right there.
Okay.
Good. Now you can take your feet off the pedals. You're not going to use them until we land.
Okay.
Okay? Now give me 10 degrees off flaps. Grab this and put it on that notch there where my finger is. You see that notch? Push it right on the notch. Good. And it calmed down. Good there. Very good. Now I'm going to test our full power. Hold on. Get it to 2400 at least. About there. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to call the tower and tell them what we want to do.
Okay.
119.3. Press this button. Van Nuys Towers, November 704, Quebec Juliet, holding short of runway 16 right at Charlie for straight out departure to the Encino Reservoir, to the hills, and then back.
704 Quebec Juliet, Van Nuys Tower, hold short, 16 right.
Holding short, runway 16 right, 704.
Van Nuys Tower, November 3, Golf Romeo, visual 16 right.
Ocean 35 Golf Romeo, Van Nuys Tower, 16 right, cleared to land.
Clear to land 35 Golf Romeo.
What is our battery?
November 7 Delta Delta, ground point 7 on runway, get here. 7 on runway, Delta. Quebec Juliet, runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff, wind 120 at 10, report inbound.
Roger, runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff. We'll report the inbound turn, 704 Quebec Juliet. Now watch that way, make sure nobody is landing towards us. Now, you're going to take this throttle and push it all the way in.
Right now?
Oh yeah, all the way in, all the way, all the way. Good, now hands back on this. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, we're going to do this together. Now we're going to lift the nose up a little. Then push it down a little. Because asphalt is better here. Now
Yeah.
when that reaches 60, we're going to take off.
Okay. Okay, it's 60.
Okay, push the nose down. No, nothing sudden. Nothing sudden. Push the nose a little down.
How did you just take off?
Yeah, not very hard.
Okay.
You can see, yeah, there we go. And push the nose down. We're going to go up this like this.
Is it normal that we're wobbling so much?
Yeah, it's the turbulence.
Okay, okay.
Air turbulence.
This is not. I mean, it's like, it's fine that we aren't able to see what's in front of us?
We can't go like this, right? We're climbing.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
never
yeah.
pull on this one. That's why if you hold the nose like this, we can more or less see what's going on.
Uh-huh.
Pull the flaps up, see what it does.
Gulfstream 5, Golf Romeo, ground point 7, exiting today.
Point 7 exiting, 35 Golf Romeo, good day.
How are we supposed to know if there's a flight behind us?
Tower tells us.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, notice one airplane went that way.
Yeah, yeah.
This hood, right? You're going to fly like this. Now you might turn. We might want to turn right here. I'm going to talk to the tower.
Okay. Do you want me to press this?
No, that's already on the tower.
Oh. So they can hear everything we're saying?
When I push the button.
Oh, okay.
Cessna 0 Quebec Juliet, squawk 0270.
0270, 704 Quebec Juliet.
What does that mean?
On his radar, we appear as a dot,
Uh-huh.
and whatever number we put in here
Nice
appears
tower.
right next to that dot, so that he knows who's who.
Okay.
0 Echo, wind 14010 and 16 left, clear for the option.
16 left. 0 clear. Clear for the options, 0 Echo. Nice Tower, Cherokee 7039 Charlie with Oscar and bound full stop.
Cherokee 7039 Charlie, Van Ness, make left traffic 16 left. Turn right and overfly the 405 freeway.
Left traffic 16 left, turn right to fly the 405, 39 Charlie.
We're going to go this way.
Oh, okay.
Van Nuys Tower, 704 Quebec Juliet will move toward the Encino Reservoir.
So what reservoir is this? Is this the one near Beverly Hills?
Say it again.
Is this the reservoir?
New squawk 0232.
0232, 704 Quebec Juliet. Now we're going to go up. These are Santa Monica Mountains. But we're going to go up some, then go over.
Oh, okay.
And here's the airport.
Right.
Right there. I'll climb up some.
Is this the reservoir near Beverly Hills?
Not Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills are way over on the other side.
Oh, okay.
It's Malibu that way. Santa Monica is...
0 Quebec Juliet, reset transponder squawk 0232.
They're transponding 0232, 704 Quebec Juliet.
0 Quebec Juliet, you're squawking 2232. That's what I'm showing. 2232. I need you to squawk 0232.
I assure you we're squawking 0232, but I'll actually move the switch. 704 Quebec Juliet.
Van Nuys Tower, Cherokee 8737 Echo. I'd like to transition northbound along 118 to Whiteman.
Cherokee 3, correction 8737 Echo, Van Nuys Tower, traffic off your left, northwestbound 2003, indicated type unknown. And continue your present heading, then intercept the 118 for eastbound Whiteman, altimeter 3000.
3000, looking for traffic, 37 Echo.
Cherokee 39 Charlie, change to 16 right, 16 right, clear to land.
6 right, clear to land, 39 Charlie.
Which area are we in right now?
Right now, this is the Van Nuys area. That's Woodland Hills. And we're going to go over those mountains. Now we're going to turn toward the mountains nicely, like that. Very good.
So we're currently in between Van Nuys and the mountains, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is the speed we're traveling at?
The speed we're traveling at is about 75 miles an hour.
Right crosswind departure.
That's pretty slow for an aircraft, right?
No, it's going to speed up because we're going up like
Keep it crosswind north of the 101 freeway.
I'm not
Wind
complaining.
120 at 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Okay, clear for takeoff, 6 runway Bravo.
Cherokee 39 Charlie, disregard.
They're going to hold it level, no problem. When the turbulence tilts you, you do the opposite.
Okay.
You can see the beach, right there. Right down there.
Oh, yeah.
And right under the clouds.
Yeah.
And the mountains you see in the sea are Santa Catalina Island.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
627 Echo, traffic's off your left and below you. It seems to be paralleling you, 2,400 indicated.
Just still looking for traffic, no joy, 37 Echo.
And that bigger mountain is the Palos Verdes Peninsula. Century City.
What city is that?
Century City.
Okay.
That's Santa Monica down there.
Okay.
Between the beach and the 405 freeway.
Okay.
And that's Century City. You can see a jet taking off from LAX.
Yeah.
That yellow area is the LAX. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go make a loop.
Okay.
Like this, and downtown LA you can see, right? And what we're going to do is this. We're going to tilt the airplane like this and hold it like that. It's going to go around the circle.
Okay.
Just push the nose a little down in, like that forward, little. There you go. There you can see downtown LA. Encino Reservoir there.
Great. Which direction is Las Vegas in?
That way.
Okay. So we've just taken a sharp U-turn.
Yeah, now we're going to go all the way around the circle as well. And that's that's the Warner Center down there. Woodland Hills, the green area behind. Push the nose a little forward down.
Van Nuys Tower, 37 Echo,
like
traffic still with me?
27 Echo, negative altitude discussion.
Thanks for that, 37 Echo.
How often do you get to do this?
0 Sierra Echo, 1120 at 8, 316 left, clear for
How
takeoff.
often do you get to do this? Once a day?
0 Sierra Echo.
I couldn't hear you due to the talk. One more
Cherokee
time.
39 Charlie, ground point 17.
How often do I fly a day?
0 Sierra Echo, 16 left, clear for out.
Usually about 5 times, sometimes long hours.
Okay.
Because we do student training.
I mean, and what do you do when, say, for example, if you have to go right there and you have clouds, how do you go about it?
You can't, as private pilot, you can't enter the clouds. You have to go either above them or under them.
Okay. You have a great job. Jealous.
Now we're going to go back to the airport.
Okay.
Cherokee 37 Echo, Cadillac Whiteman target A.
Connor Whiteman, thanks for your help. Have a great day. 37 Echo.
Now we're going to bring the nose level. You see the tower there? That little building sticks out like a soldier.
Bravo. Resume your navigation, friction approved. Safe flight.
We're going to go straight forward. And we're going to descend. Hold the nose down so that you get to see more.
Okay.
Van Nuys Tower, 704 Quebec Juliet, returning to the airport.
Cessna 0 Quebec Juliet, make right traffic, 16 right. Wind 130 at 8, clear to land.
Make right traffic, runway 16 right. Clear to land. 704 Quebec Juliet. I just fly it like that.
What mountains are those?
This is the Newhall Pass.
Yeah.
And these Burbank Airport is the yellow area you see right down there.
Uh-huh.
Right down there. And that one is Santa Susana Pass, pardon me.
Okay.
And the mountain that's actually right in front of us, the tall peak there, is the Oat Mountain.
Okay.
That's the Mendenhall Peak there, the ones you're pointing out.
Oh, how different is flying a helicopter?
Very different. That requires, it handles nothing like a knot. Never pull it to your chest when it shakes.
Okay.
Hold it level, it's going to shake, little turbulence, not a problem. If you pull it to your chest, you're going to go up that and the airplane is going to drop. You don't want that to happen. Right?
A helicopter is supposed to be more convenient, right? I mean, it requires less area for landing and takeoff and things like that.
But it behaves much differently than an airplane. It's harder to fly.
Uh-huh.
You have to know, you have to know exactly how it handles.
Okay.
So it requires a separate pilot rating.
Okay.
The airplane pilot is not automatically a helicopter pilot.
Okay. Do you fly helicopters too?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I like airplanes.
So here, I mean, how do chief ministers, I mean, governors travel? Do they travel in helicopters or chartered airplanes?
They have chartered airplanes. They can also charter helicopters. Those are very big, expensive ones. They cost like $4,300 an hour.
Okay, okay.
Luxury ones, mostly chartered airplanes.
Okay.
And the helicopters are for short tours.
Okay. In India, like you have a governor here, we have a chief minister for every state.
I see.
And each of them gets their own helicopter.
Oh, I see. Here in the U.S. is different.
Okay. I mean, it makes more. I mean, this makes more sense for me.
I see. Because they can get to places and see things.
Yeah.
I see. Here, they have to travel under special rules. They don't have anything assigned to them except police.
Okay.
Okay, give me some flaps. 10 degrees of flaps down, right here. Down to the first notch. Good.
That's 0 Echo. Make sure you're at 1,800. Altimeter is 2999.
Traffic
1
right
mile
there.
west of Van Nuys. Eastbound.
Yellow
South
one.
of Burbank ILS.
Right.
Citation jet 2,200 indicated.
Yep, we're showing 1800.
Look up to November Lima is that.
Okay, now.
So 0 Echo, descend down to 1,500.
Now give me some more flaps. 20 degrees down. Right there. There you go. Now we're going to turn nicely, slowly. No harsh turn because there's turbulence.
Oh, we got the traffic inside. Maintain visual.
0 Echo, resume normal altitude.
Roger. What's his altitude?
So 0 Echo was pouring up from SoCal. It was down to 2,200.
Now you can see the runway there.
Right? He was 2,200 just west of the field.
Roger.
This is 16 left, clear for the option.
0 16 left, clear for the option.
Up a little. Give me some more flaps. More flaps down. That's all the flaps down. Well, they're right about there.
Did I overdo it?
No, that's okay.
Tower November 700 Hotel. Hotel Alpha, hold the short 16 left.
Now hold it loose, don't hold it hard.
Team 700 to Alpha Venice, sir. Stand by with you now for release.
Wind check.
Wind 12012. Gulfstream 0 Hotel Alpha, expect a few minutes in SoCal.
November Hotel Alpha next.
Yeah, hold it loosely.
I'm freaking out right
Yeah,
now.
hold it loosely. Don't freak out.
Okay.
If you really freak out, you should let go. But hold it loose.
Okay.
It's gonna go up and down like that.
Okay.
Now hold it. Hold it up. Up. There you go. Not bad, huh?
Wow.
Not bad, huh? Hold it up, like that. Pull the flaps up.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and pull the flaps up. There we go, we're gonna turn.
Completely up?
Completely up.
Right.
Now we're gonna turn.
This is 0 Quebec Juliet, right turn at Golf, ground point, see you.
Right turn at Golf, 121.7704 Quebec Juliet.
What is Quebec Juliet?
It's just this number. Airplane's identification number. I don't know why they chose that one, but
Is Quebec Juliet like a universal thing, or is it?
No, just peculiar to this
about
airplane.
9 west of you in transition appointment 37 on squawk at 4767.
Van Nuys ground, 704 Quebec Juliet, clear roll runway 16 wide at Golf, taxi to ROTOR F, please.
704 Quebec Juliet, Van Nuys ground, runway 16, taxi to ROTOR F Alpha.
Taxi to ROTOR F Alpha, 704 Quebec Juliet. Let's go. Now you're going to steer. Put your foot on the pedals, but your heels are on the cabin floor, and you're going to hold us on this line. We'll push some right foot there. There you go.
Okay.
And steering is gentle. Once it comes on the line, press gently left foot, more left foot. Just hold us on the line, like that. A little bit too much, so there you go. Right there, adjust your little right foot now. There you go, and then little left foot. That was too much. Everything is little. Nothing is, big motions. Very good, you're doing pretty well. A little bit to the right. Very good. Left foot. We're going to stay on this block. I'm going to slow down a little.
Doesn't matter anymore, right?
Yeah, that only your feet. And you can try it. It doesn't right. Turn it big, right, left. Doesn't do anything. Now you see the line is splitting into two right up ahead. You're going to take the left turn.
Okay.
Wait until the split point. Wait until the split point there. Then
Can I do it all by myself?
Yeah, you're going to press your left foot to follow the line.
Yeah.
Go for it. There you go. Not doing anything. They're doing everything. Now push left, more left, harder. Now right foot. Right foot so that it doesn't go to the fire department.
Yeah.
There you go. And come onto the line. Very good. Not bad. Not bad. Very good.
Okay.
Excellent. Good control. When it doesn't, when it runs out of range, you can apply a little bit of the brake while you're pushing like that. It's going to turn faster. But you're not used to that yet. Now you see that yellow. You see that yellow helicopter there?
Yes. Yeah.
We're going to go behind it.
Okay.
Oh, there are two helicopters and both of them are running. Hold on. Let's see how we're going to pass. We're going to...
The brake?
But... Hold on.
Let's try braking. Go ahead.
Gonna make sure we don't run into the helicopters.
Yeah, that won't happen, don't worry.
I'm not so sure. Hold on. Yeah, very good. They blow air down, so we have to, sure we're not by their airflow. Very good. Okay. Go into the pitch here. And pull the steer chest so it doesn't go.
Does this have a reverse gear?
Say it again?
Does this have a reverse gear?
No. No airplane has ever reverse gear.
Okay.
As far as I know. We have to go, make U-turn.
Okay.
Now we're going to shut it down according to the checklist, okay? It says, got this one off. Click, go, come on, go, click. There you go. And push the button and pull it all the way out. There you go, only air goes to the end. Stops. Okay, got all the lights off. Turn the key all the way to off and pull it out. Pull it out, pull the key out. Put it up here. And press the red button, big red switch.